Good morning, people. Good morning, Angeles City. In our subdivision. Nice day. Hopefully, sun will show up soon because I did my laundry last night and hopefully it gets dry anytime. Anytime now. I'm doing my routine today. Cleaning the yard, cleaning the front. And my baby, Chica. This is my routine every day, every morning. Look at the neighborhood and my garden. My garden and the flowers, so nice. Oh my God, my babies are grumbling na. My babies are grumbling. Yes, calling mama. I'm coming. Wanna play? Oh my God. Okay. This is their routine every morning. Okay, come on. Come, Chica. Oh, yeah. Okay. There you go. Happy. Oh, wasn't it too hard? Hey. Come on. This is my morning. My tomato ready to plant outside. It's ready to plant outside. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. I'll go inside the house now. Bye.